Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Sagittarius na mangyayari ngayong May 23, 2024, 1:52 p.m. Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan. So for you, Taurus, mas maganda na panoorin nyo to sa perspective ng inyong rising sign dahil ito ay mas accurate for your rising sign. So Taurus, ang full moon in Sagittarius is going to happen in your 8th house. Ayan, which is quite complicated house. This is about investment, other people's money, anything mysterious, inheritance din to, death and rebirth, no? Endings and new beginnings. So for you Taurus, maaring makakita ka ng opportunities para i-release ang mga bagay na hindi na helpful sa'yo, like for example, connections or addictions, relationships pwede rin na no longer serving your highest good. So you may be ending a connection na sa tingin mo hindi na helpful sa pag-unlad mo. Okay? Because you are more focused now into your authority. So, mas gusto mo ngayon ikaw yung in control of your situation. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may i-let go na kayo na investment na sa tingin nyo, hindi na siya worth it, na, bigyan pa ng energy or attention. Minsan kasi meron tayong mga pinapasok ng mga investments kasi gusto nating subukan kung magiging successful ba yon. But for some of you, maaring meron kayong mga pinasok na negosyo, investments na sa tingin ninyo mas wiser kung i-let go nyo na. Like, you want to end that business or that investment. And it doesn't mean na matatapos na yon hanggang doon na lang, no? Kasi maaring meron ka ring mga bagong ideas ngayon para magsimula ng another investment or another business. Okay? And then, this is also finding clarity in your situation, lalo na kung matagal ka nang naguguluhan sa mga gagawin mong decisions moving forward. Some of you naman, maaaring magkakaroon kayo ng interest sa isang interest sa occult, no? So, esoteric practices like astrology, tarot, witchcraft, anything like that, no? You might also be releasing, no? Pwedeng dati naging interesado ka dyan pero maaring ngayon nawawalan ka na ng gana for some reasons. You feel like you are not resonating with it anymore. You feel like gusto mong magsimula ng bagong isang practice na sa tingin mo mas connected ka. Okay? Kasi let's say for example, hindi lahat ng nagtataro ay interesado sa astrology. Hindi rin lahat ng interesado sa astrology ay nagtataro. Okay? So, maaring meron kang pipiliin dyan na mas resonating ka. Okay? Let's see what else. Taurus. King of Swords. This is being more logical in your decision making. Mas maingat ka sa mga steps na gagawin mo. Maari ring meron kang ika-cut off na tao sa buhay mo that you feel na hindi na siya helpful sa'yo. It doesn't mean na parang dahil wala na siyang silbi sa'yo, i-let go mo na. It's about knowing kung itong taong to maganda pa yung epekto sa'yo. No? Maganda pa yung kanyang influence sa'yo. So if you feel na itong person na to hindi na maganda yung influensya sa'yo, you might be letting go of that. Yung iba sa inyo medyo mahirap para gawin yon, makapag-decide, but you will still find clarity, okay? In whatever you want to pursue, ano yung gusto mo pang gawin, ano yung sa tingin mong beneficial para sa growth mo. Although may mga temptation sa paligid, no, pero at the end of the day, you will be able to choose what's best for you. And with the Empress card here, this makes sense kasi you are going to step into your own power. So, energy to ng Taurus, the Empress, Venus ruled. So, this is about abundance, prosperity, creativity. So, maaring marami kang creative pursuits ngayon. And the King of Cups is also being able to embrace your emotions, no? So, maari ngayon, magiging sensitive ka rin sa nararamdaman mo, at alam mo kung paano mo rin kokontrolin yung emotions mo in such a way na magiging favorable siya sa'yo. Na hindi sa lahat ng oras kailangan ilabas mo yung emosyon mo. It's about being more controlled, and at the same time, andun pa rin yung sensitivity mo. You get what I mean? You get my point? So, something like that. But I think sa ngayon, you are also focused on taking care of yourself, no? Taking care of your mental health and also yung emotions mo. You will also recognize your emotions. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!